What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today we are going to review two Legos. The Lego Creator 3-in-1, the sports car, and the Lego City Caravan. Okay, let's get it. Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go to the Lego Creator 3-in-1. I picked this one, the sports car, except of the old car and the Formula 1, because Lego didn't build this again like something like this, and it's different from all the other cars that are in Lego, so that's why I built this. And you can buy this set for $26 or 26 euros. That's a quick tour of it. Has a spoiler, a V8 engine, some exhaust pipes here, and inside rend interior with the steering wheel bars. And these are the manuals for the F1 car. 56 pages. This is for the old car, that is 44 pages, and this is for the sports car, 82 pages. Okay, let's go to the Lego City Caravan. It comes with 3 minifigures, a dad, the mom, and a child. And to start off, we have the beds, one for the kid and one for the adults. And here is the driver's seat in the front, and here back is the room that you pulled back the seats in like this. The table in there, and the drinks. Don't forget the croissant and a hot pan. And this set goes around $20 or euros, and you can buy it like the Lego Creator 3-in-1 in Lego stores, in lego.com, or in toy stores. And before we end this video, this is the manual that is 82 pages. And I like these two cars very much, these vehicles, and I haven't seen something like this Lego have done. And that is pretty much it. We are in a row to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year. So if you subscribe, that would be very helpful. And that's all I got. Peace out.